Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube land. What we have today is a loadout of tree debris. This is a 30-yard roll-off. We have all this tree debris here, and it goes actually over there to that big tree. There's a property line that goes all the way down, and right here to the back is the backyard. And then we just got this little bit, and then there's a little bit more back there. But this is what we got for today, folks. Load out of tree debris. All right, thanks for hanging along with us and watching. Another day, another dollar. Let's get it. We are around halfway done. It's about halfway full. So far we've got that little area over there, like all this, because there's a lot filled. The back, kind of that like little sliver right there. Doing pretty good so far. It's only been about an hour and 30 minutes, so we just gotta keep at it. We're cutting it, he's cutting it, loading everything correctly. We'll get up there, cut it basically flat, or he will, and this is the little contraption we got going on. The ramps, because we couldn't figure out a way to get up there. So we were like, we have to get up there to get it pushed down. And this is what we came into. So, yeah, it's pretty good, about halfway filled. See what we're working with. I'm just basically watching now, making sure everything's going right. He's loading everything up in piles. I'm kind of helping him put logs into piles. But yeah, we're gonna keep at it. Alrighty, y'all. This is what we got. We started up here, loading out this roll off, 30-yard roll off. Got it all quite full. They're gonna work on it during the week. It's like a week-long project. They're gonna cut it down inside the roll off and put some of this stuff back in it, and then whatever's left they're gonna burn. That's why I made 3 little burn piles here. So, number 2.
number 3. And then back here, we had grabbed some fence for them right here. I'll show you that up front. We had grabbed, actually right here was a like a kerosene tank. He brought it to the, he rigged it for me to bring it to the front. So with some straps, picked up all this debris. Couldn't even walk back here earlier. All the logs. And then there was one long tree that went all the way over there. They had it all cut up. Then there was some tires. He was like, oh yeah, you're junk removal. I was like, yep. He said, all right, take these tires. So we charged a little upcharge for the tires. I'll show you them. In the back, we picked up 4 there and 4 over there by the oil container. And I'll show you what else we brought to the front. All right. So there was a lawnmower, like leaf bag. He wanted me to bring that out there. They got some other metals. They're just gonna let this sit here for the scrappers to come pick up. There's that kerosene tank or whatever tank it is. And then there's a fence up in there. Yeah, some galvanized fence. And we got 8 tires. I think it's 7 or 8 tires. I'll show you them real quick. Already loaded up the skid steer. And I stacked 1 stack up here in the front. Right there. I put the 4 tires there. And there's 4 tires there. Little upcharge, junk removal. So, but that's a wrap. We are in Jacksonville, Florida today on the north side off Dunn Avenue and Lynn Turner area. Alrighty, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great weekend.